Hi there. Today I want us to look at how to design a simple flyer. That is a thank you flyer. Maybe you have celebrated a birthday or you have celebrated a wedding ceremony or something like that, and you have to make a simple flyer in order to thank those who were present. So let's start going. So the first thing to do is you have to set the background. So this is, as already seen, this is where the background is. So the first thing to do is, this is what I'm talking about. This is where the background is. So the first thing to do is, first of all, you have to set the background uh, color. So this is it. I'm going to use a gradient. So this is the gradient I want to use. Okay. So the next thing is I want to use some confetti. All right, the confetti I want to use is in my gallery, so I want to import it. Okay. All right. So there's it. Okay. I want to crop it. So this is the portion I want to use. Yeah. So this is it. Okay. All right. I've positioned it here, right here. Okay, I want to make a copy of it. I'm going to position it over here. All right, so the next thing I want to do is I want to insert the picture that I want to use. The picture that I want to use. So I go to import, and the picture is in my gallery. Okay, this is the picture I want to use. All right, so we go. So I zoom the picture a little bit. Then I position it in the middle using the relative positioning. So so let me bring it down a little bit. Good. Now the next thing, I want to lock the picture for now. Okay, I lock the picture. Then I want to use a background. I want to blend the picture, so I'm going to use a shape. So this is the shape I've selected, and I want to use what do you call it, the gradient, the same gradient I use as a background. So this is it. And I press the check mark. All right, so now I want to I don't need the top of the top color, so I want to use the eraser tool in order to clean it. So I press it, and then I increase the size and then the sharpness. So this is it. You seen it? Okay. So I press the check mark sign here, and that's all. So now I want to increase the size. Good. Now you can realize that it now covers the confetti I used earlier. So there is it. I'm going to bring it, the confetti, I'm going to bring it to the top. Yeah, the second one to the top. We can see that now. That's the effect it took here. Now after that, the next thing I want to do is I want to put down the thank you. So I go to my font, then I come to text. All right, I want to edit the text, so I edit. So thank you. So first of all, I'm going to use just thank. I'm going to let me give a padding. So the left 1, 2, and this please the right 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I'm good to go. Now I'm going to increase the size to 100 33. All right, good. Then I'm going to change the font. The font, I want to use a font in my fonts, among my fonts. That's the bold. Where is it? That's the font, the Bold. Yeah, good. Now that I've inserted my font, I want to use relative positioning to position it in the middle. So this is it. Done that. Good. So I want it to go to the back. So can you see this? To back. So that's it. I hope you can see that. Good. Now I'm going to copy the fonts, and then I'll write U, because it is thank you flyer we are designing. U. Then okay. And that one, so I bring it here, and then I use the relative positioning. Thank you. Now the picture, I want to mix a little editing about it, so I come to shape, I move to the color fit text, then the hue I give it to displace to 2, then a little brightness and a little contrast. All right, okay, we are good to go. Now I'll just adjust. Good. So this is a simple, let me lock the shape, a simple, wow. Okay, now let me insert another shape. I want to insert a circle, so this is it. I want to decrease it, and I bring it to this side. We can see it. Good. Then I want to write thank you, God richly bless you. So let me type that one. God richly bless you. Okay, good. Now I want to use another font. Okay, the font I want to use is Generous Shine. So that's it. So I want to use the font size to be let's say 60, 70. Let me see. Okay, let's use 60. Yeah. So you press it here. So thank you, God richly bless you. Okay, so after this, then the only thing you have to do is to save. So you press on the save button. Save, then that is, you save as an image. You save, you change the dimension to ultra, then save to gallery. You are good to go. So kindly subscribe to this channel, and for more videos on designing and other stuff. Thank you so much.